Welcome to Visit Extended Channel. I'm continuing to introduce ANQ Congress under Quality Academic series. So this time, I will introduce the 6th Asian Level for Quality Congress in 2008. Every time I introduce what is ANQ, Asian Level for Quality members involve 17 countries or economic regions, about 20 associations to work together. And every year, our flat event is the ANQ Congress. Will be held in different countries or economic regions by each members rotated. So this time is the 6th in Thailand. The 6th ANQ Congress was organized by the Standard and Quality Association of Thailand in Bangkok from 28 to 31st October 2008, and together with the live symposium on quality to Thailand. And their theme is the land of smile. Now, I would like to introduce the topic and present at that time. It lamps a conceptual model of development of quality professionals. So it is my presentation at that time. So introduction, what is the quality professional? Is always play different roles, such as a leader, facilitator, business partner, project manager, leadership, consultant, and educator. And what is their competence? The definition of competence as the ability of an individual to select and use the knowledge, skill, and attitude that are necessary for effective behavior in a specific professional, social, and learning situation by Bangkok 2003. It is very important and 3 dimensions are embodied. The principal dimension, as the Bangkok stated, attitude, skill, and knowledge combined with ask. It's defined as the principal dimension to determine the competence of quality professional recognized by industry. So, what is the quality professional attitude? I'm identifying several from this paper. Expert behavior to handle the quality problem, dedicated motivation to be a good quality professional, acquisition and management of the quality knowledge, teamwork, ability to run the task smoothly, time management, and responsibility of the outcome. And then what is the quality professional skill? It's an effective communication, for example, removing many interdepartmental barriers, and analytical and critical thinking, because it is important for root cause analysis and problem solving. And research skill, using quality tools or techniques for strategic planning. And then is a management skill. After that, what is a quality professional knowledge? We know that the knowledge is the key requirement as the professional, and its practical characteristic of quality professional involve marketing and business management knowledge, co-train and training in service industry, and also people-oriented and in information technology. Now, I would like to introduce the quality professional development gap analysis model. The short term is a QPOD. The aim to analyze the process of development for the body of knowledge for quality professional between the talent in the industry and the talent trained by the education institute as the university. Between the industry and the education sector, quality association or society work as the bridge to reduce the gap. So I would like to share what the gap model I propose, like this one, is a reference from the surface quality model. However, it's separate in the ASK. Attitude and skill is like experience, and the know-how is a knowledge or body of knowledge, and education is basic training from the school. So in this level is between the school and industrial. Our role in here, quality society association, and you can see different gap in here, and I will introduce for you what is the various gaps. Gap 1 is a difference between industrial expectation of the competence quality professional and education institutes perception of those expectations, like this one. Education perception and the real one, professional quality professional from the industry. The gap 2 is between the education institutes perception and the required quality professional, and the design of the quality related study program is this one. What our concept transfer become the course related course. They maybe have some gap. Gap 2. Gap 3 is a difference between the educational institution graduate ability and industrial employment requirement of the quality professional. Is gap 3 in here. Gap 3. After you graduate study here and go to the practical quality professional here. Gap 3. Gap 4 is the difference between the ability of the competence quality professional required by the industry and the quality association recognized. For example, we have the certified Six Sigma Green Belt and certified laboratory quality specialist, etc. It's a gap 4. Gap 4 is here. We trained the professor, and what is the difference from the industrial rate? Gap 5 is a difference between the industrial expectation of competent quality professional and the average performance in the practicing quality professional, like this one. It is an average one, and what is the ideal competence quality professional in the industrial rate is a gap 5. So the last gap is between the ability of the professional recognized by quality association and industrial employed requirement for quality professional is gap 6 here. Or gap 4 here, gap 6 here. Okay, our preliminary study, we do the quality survey, and 110 questionnaires were sent, and only 102 questionnaires were completed and returned. 2,000 is 2,100, so only 4.8%. It is a result. First, we surveyed the fundamental quality or engineering knowledge skill. The top 5 will be quality concept, practical training or industrial project working, health, safety, environment, material science, and electronic and electrical is more technical, and then group basic problem solving, etc. The second, we survey the essential of quality knowledge and the skill. The top 5 or 10 is a quality management system, continuous improvement, COQ, course of quality, safety product, design quality, optic quality tools or indicator management system, etc. So after the preliminary study, we find that the highest mean core is quality concept is important for the engineering knowledge. For the management system, also the higher rate. And this step is to study gap 1 is subject to survey the perception of the quality professional need from the study program designer or leader in the education institution. So there are some recommendations. The gap 1, 2, 3 in the model need to study by educational institute because it would enhance their study program understand the gap between university graduate and ability, and also the industrial elite. The gap 4, 5, 6 a model studied by the Quality Society like HKSQ to fulfill the industrial talents requirement related to quality professional development and increase the recognition of the quality professional certification scheme. Like this one, our role is the bridge between university and the industry. So now I would like to share the case study in the HKSTP industry and society, and also our industry bio and chemistry department. In order to enhance laboratory competence through the HOTLES accreditation, our laboratory, 2 laboratory, product analysis lab and reliability lab, lead laboratory quality professional. At that time, university fundamental degree is only applied to physics, applied chemistry, applied biology, material science, etc. And some industrial specific course is missing, for example, especially for ISO 17025. So HKSQ worked as the bridge to develop the course named Certified Course in Quality Management for Laboratory. In our design, 10 seats for HKSQ members and 15 seats is free for our students. This is a course structure, lecture and tutorial is a live session. Each session has 3 hours. Involve the quality concept, system, introduction to laboratory accreditation, calibration, uncertainty management, GMP, management system in laboratory and laboratory audit skill, QA, and in ecotoxicology and analytical chemistry. And 2 laboratories about different practice in calibration, and also have the 2 industrial visits to enhance their knowledge. So the staff competence enhanced, and HKSTP sent engineer and manager to attend. And in 2005-2006, every year have 1 manager, 2 engineer or assistant engineer. After the training, 2 manager and 2 engineer obtained HOTLES approved surgery. And some achievement is the first laboratory PL got the HOTLES accreditation using measuring the thickness of metallic coating by measurement of the cross section using SEM. The second one is a moisture sensitivity level in reliability laboratory based on the ICP J standard 22020 for IC packaging. That is what I'm present in the 6th ANQ Congress. Every time we have the gardiner at the end and the performance. You can see we have the caution strip dinner and also gardiner. We have some performance and sing and song with the candidate's wife, Alice. And I take a short video about the performance. Okay. After the Congress, we have the post-Congress visit. Every time we have to go to their different industry. This is the Coater Thai from Thailand, and see their management and quality system improvement. It is their learning process, and we take the good photo and enjoy the coffee time. If you are interested in my paper, I also share in the research gate. It's open to public. You can download through this gate for my study. Okay, today I will share the ANQ 2008, and I mentioned that ANQ academic in Hong Kong is very aggressive and also active in the international conference for sharing different quality of knowledge and research to all quality professionals. Thank you for your attention. See you in next sharing. Bye.